Did you know what a silencer of a truck has to endure? 2 or 3 million kilometers and temperature up to 700 degrees. For comparison, the lifetime of an exhaust system in a passenger car is just 200,000 kilometers. Every other truck in the USA uses Tru-Flex products. The company has been operating within its industry for more than 60 years and as a Tier 1 supplier for more than a decade. This means direct deliveries to car assembly facilities. Its presence in Poland goes back to 3 years. Companies such as Volvo, Scania, Claas and CNH, Case New Holland, are amongst the most important consumers of Tru-Flex products.
Tru-Flex make a very high quality product with a very long-lasting lifetime. In the development phase, we work very closely with our customers to develop the right solution with them. And there we look at specific design requirements they have. Of course, we guarantee a long lifetime of our products. We supply on time and we supply to world-class quality records, so basically 0 ppm. With regards to robotization, we look at the business model, and in some cases when the volumes are high enough, we robotize. And for us very important is that our suppliers, our stakeholders as we call them, know our customer requirements and know exactly what we want, and in case robot partner they delivered the right solution.
Each and every product is subject to numerous and rigorous testing to confirm the expected product lifetime. More than 40 patents protect the product's secrets. CMT welding processes, facilitating execution of exceptionally robust joints, became pivotal in the project of welding flexible compensators. Minimum interference with the structure of the welded materials was strongly required for higher than usual displacement and vibration levels. High volume demands, perfectly punctual deliveries, highest and repeatable quality level meant robotization support for the project essential. Exceptionally short time designated to create robotized workstations posed an additional challenge. The initially forecast 12 months was reduced to just 4 months.
Od samego początku wiadomo było, że czasu jest niewiele. Nasz produkt wciąż był w fazie finalnych testów i związanych z tym modyfikacji. Elastyczność, zaangażowanie i determinacja firmy RoboPartner była dla nas ogromnym wsparciem na każdym etapie tego projektu.
RoboPartner is specialized in welding robotization. They place particular emphasis on development of knowledge and hands-on experience with the scope of advanced welding technologies.
W tym przypadku trudność procesu nie polegała na połączeniu rur pięciocalowych, lecz na przetopieniu warstwy 5 materiałów jednocześnie w czasie 30 sekund. Dodatkową trudnością było zastosowanie 3 różnych gatunków stali nierdzewnych na poszczególne komponenty. Wykonaliśmy szereg testów w celu potwierdzenia najwłaściwszej technologii.
There are 2 work zones at every robotized workstation. One where the welding process takes place, and the other where elements are replaced by the operator to maintain the most stringent safety standards.
Do budowy stanowisk użyliśmy sprzętu najlepszych producentów. Zależało nam również, aby stanowiska były bezpieczne, niezawodne i zapewniały klientowi najwyższą funkcjonalność. Dodatkowo osiągnęliśmy poziom jakości spójn B, który jest najwyższym możliwym poziomem jakości w spawaniu.
Projekt został zrealizowany zgodnie z założeniami. Udało się osiągnąć powtarzalność i wydajność lepszą niż pierwotnie zakładano. Przy kolejnych projektach firma RoboPartner będzie naszym integratorem pierwszego wyboru.
The RoboPartner engineers are very similar to our engineers. They understand our requirements, they understand our culture, and we are very satisfied with the performance they gave to us.